हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी वर्ल्ड के टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी में से एक है, तो अगर आप वर्ल्ड के टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी के टॉप प्रोफेसर से स्किल गेन करना चाहते हैं, देन दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू। एनीवन फ्रॉम एनीवेयर कैन डू दिस कोर्सेज, वो भी विदाउट एनी कॉस्ट। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी अपने ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कोर्सेज प्रोवाइड करती है। If you also want to complete these courses, then you have to go on educational site of Harvard University. I have already given the site link. Now you can see this type interface of this educational website of Harvard University. Here you can see different type of courses in different fields. You may choose courses according to your requirement as per your choice or interest. Now I am going to discuss that how you can filter courses according to your choice or requirement. In upper side of this website, there is a tab menu of subject area, from where you can select subject or domain, in which domain you want to pursue course. In right side of subject area, there is a price tab menu, and after that a starting date. Just right side of start date, there is a school tab menu, where you can select a school like as medical or a law school. There are courses for short term as well as for long term, so you can select a duration also. For better result in filtering courses, you can also prefer 3 dot lines in above side of this website. Now you can browse courses as per subject area like as arts and design, business, humanities, health and medicine, education and teaching, social science. Here courses are available in different topic like artificial intelligence, computer science, programming. For enrolling in course, you have to select course, then you have to click on enroll button. For new user, you have to register yourself firstly. If you are already a user, then simply sign in through your Gmail and password. After sign in, you can see this type of interface of this website. To access this course of CS50 Introduction to Game Development, we have to click on continue. As you can see, website is loading now. Now you can see this type of user interface of this website. Here you can read proper terms and condition and about this courses CS50 Introduction to Game Development. After this, you may click on start course, and now you can see this type of user interface. In this Harvard platform, these courses are free, but we have to pay for getting certificate. I think this is a great opportunity to utilize your time as well as for upgrading your skills. As you can see, there are a lot of courses in this platform of Harvard. Now I am going to discuss a very good course related to entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship in emerging economies. If you are data science enthusiast, then you can prefer another course, that is a introduction in data science with Python. In this course, there is no time boundation for per day. You may commit 3 to 4 hours in a week. Let me discuss another interesting course regarding leadership quality. Here course is available for public leadership credential. This course will available for any time, and this course needed 10 to 12 hours per week time commitment. This course is developed by Harvard Kennedy School faculty. This professional credential program equips you with the skill necessary to advance the public good. After completing this course, you will learn fundamental skills for moral leadership and learn to instill lasting change in communities. Now let me tell you another right courses for you, that is a new ideas for non-profit leaders webinar. Till now we have discussed a lot of professional course. Now let me suggest you one course that will be really beneficial in terms of mental perspective. Duration of this course is 6 weeks. After completing this course, you will learn to explore diverse definition of happiness, and you will able to recognize how success and achievement impact short versus long-term happiness. Last but not least, Harvard provided 1 hour free webinar where they discuss how the current energy transition is reshaping economic opportunity around the world. So guys, these are some important courses and let me know in comment section which courses are you preferring. हमारे साथ वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक यू। आने वाले टाइम में हम कैरियर ओरिएंटेड वीडियोस लाते रहेंगे। तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए ओके बाय।